Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Charles here, and in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can send up to 10,000 cold emails every single day right for yourself. And absolutely this is going to be a free method that you can use to start sending up to 10,000 cold emails every single day all by yourself. I know this is actually sounding like, wow, is this real? Of course guys, it is real, and I'm going to show you right here and right now guys. So for you to be able to send cold emails every single day guys, you need to realize that these guys that you are sending emails to, basically they don't know you. So making use of the right server or making use of the right approach is actually what gets many people to find with cold email marketing. And that is the reason why for this video I want you to pay close attention and listen to everything I have to say and follow every step that I have to take, all right, so that you yourself can end up sending cold emails that basically goes directly into the inbox folder of your recipients. Right now, for us to be able to send cold emails guys, we are going to be making use of an extension known as Pigeon mail sender. So we are going to be making use of an extension known as the Pigeon mail merge sender. Right, this is the application or the extension that we are going to be making use of, and I'm going to show you how to integrate this extension into your Gmail account, that you will start sending mails directly from your Gmail account, because Google is going to be helping us deliver our message directly into our email list inbox folder. Okay, now for us to be able to use this two guys, the first thing we want to do is we want to head over to our Gmail account. So please make sure you are signed in already into the Gmail account you want to use in sending what bulk cold emails. And the next thing you want to do is you want to basically put in the message you want to send to your email list. Right, so for me I already have my message ready, so I'm just going to copy and paste. Alright guys, so you can see here is the message I want to send to my email list. And guys, please make sure you don't have anything on the recipients. Please make sure this place is empty. Now guys, once you've been able to put in the message you want to send to your email list, all you need to do is to close this and save it up as a draft file. So closing this automatically is going to save this up as a draft file, so we can go over to our draft and we are going to find it there. All right, so guys, you can see here is the message here. Bingo, bingo, bingo. We are going to be making use of this message. We are going to be sending this exact message to our email list. Now, once we've been able to accomplish that, the next thing we want to do is to head over to the spreadsheet where we have our email list. So please make sure your email list is already on a spreadsheet, not a txt file folder. Right, make sure it is a spreadsheet, and I really prefer the Google spreadsheet. So guys, once you are here having your spreadsheet open up already, what you need to do right now is you want to click on extension. Remember I told you that we are going to be making use of the software, so we want to integrate it with our Google spreadsheet so that we can do this automatically and on autopilot. Right, so click on extension, and once you have the extension looking up already, all you need to do is to click on add-ons. Okay, you can see add-ons, then click on get add-ons. So click on get add-ons, and the next thing you want to do is you want to basically type in the add-on that you want to get from the Google Workspace Marketplace. So from here I'm just going to search for Pigeon. Right, okay, now guys, you can see the Pigeon mail merge. So click on Pigeon mail merge guys, and once you click on it, you can see we have it. This is the first one you are looking at here, and once you click on it guys, you are going to be seeing the icon of the Pigeon mail merge, and you can see it is a dove icon, something like a dove, right, or maybe a pigeon. Right, so you can see here is the icon here, and what you want to do of course is you want to install this into your spreadsheet. Go click on install, and once you click on install, click on continue. Then all you need to do next is you need to verify the email address that you are working with. So click on yes, agree. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to click on allow. Okay, very, very easy guys, very, very simple. So this is basically going to give access to the Pigeon mail merge. So once you've been able to do that guys, click on done, and we are ready to send our first cold email to our email list. Right, so click on close this. Right, and once you close this guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to refresh your browser. Okay, you want to make sure you refresh the browser. Alright guys, so once you've refreshed your browser, all you need to do is you want to look down here and you can see the small arrow icon that says show side panel. So you want to make sure you click on show side panel. Okay, so once you click on the show side panel, you're going to be having the Pigeon mail merge icon displaying here. So once you have this displaying, all you need to do is you want to click on open and you want to open up the Pigeon mail merge sender. So once you click on open, you're going to be brought over to this page where you have multiple options to work with, right? But for we here guys, we want to send out cold emails, right? We want to send out cold emails to people, so we are going to be going with the send your email campaign. So once you click on send your email campaign, guys, you're going to be brought over to this place where you can where you need to verify your phone number, and which of course I really encourage that you do. So guys, once you've been able to verify your phone number, you can see it's going to have something like this being displayed on your screen. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to put in the sender name, and this is basically optional. So for those of you who do want to put in the sender name, of course you might not want to. So for me, I'm not going to put in the sender name because I want to leave that as a blank one. Right now, the next thing you want to do is, guys, you can see where it says choose draft to send. Now what you want to do is you're going to be finding the message that we saved on our Gmail account. Remember the draft that we saved here is going to be displaying here on the mail merge sender here. So all you need to do is to pick in the exact draft that you saved that you want to send to your cold email list. So for me, it is the bingo one, if you really remember that. And now the next thing you want to do is you want to choose the column that the email address is located in. So for me, you can see the email address is still the email address, right? So that is what we have here. We have only the email address, and that is why it is showing only the email address. Now guys, once you've been able to get this to this exact place, all you need to do right now is you want to click on send email. So because I have just 45 emails here, that is the reason why you are seeing 45 emails. So for you, if you have more than 45, it's going to show you automatically the amount of emails that you have and how many emails that you can send every single day for yourself. So on every single day, guys, you are only limited to send up to 600 emails every single day. But wait, I'm going to show you one simple trick that you can use in sending up to 5,000 10,000 emails every single day for yourself. So I'm going to click on send 45 emails. So guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to preview the email that you are basically sending, and once you're satisfied with it, all you need to do is to click on send. And once you click on send, automatically this extension file is going to help you start sending all the emails already. So guys, you can see it is already moving, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this run in your presence, and you guys are going to be seeing how this is going to be sending all the emails directly to our email list. Alright guys, so you can see successfully our emails has been sent. The 45 email that we have here all has been sent already. So take a look for yourself. You can see everything has been sent. So guys, you can see here on this place, once you have your emails opened, you are going to be seeing it here that your email has been opened, right? So you're going to be seeing all the analytics of the email campaign that you just sent, and that is the reason why I recommend this extension. It is free for everybody who wants to get started with sending cold emails, right? And now guys, I know you're asking me, okay, so Charles, tell me, how do I send 5,000 10,000 emails every single day using this extension all for free? Now guys, the simple trick to this is that you create multiple Gmail accounts. So once you have multiple Gmail account, okay, you can send up to 5,000 10,000 emails every single day for yourself. And now let me show you something. Let's say you every single day you are sending 600. Okay, let me put this here for you guys to see. You are sending 600 emails, okay, every single day, right? And 600 times, let's say 10 Gmail account, that is over 6,000 emails that you'll be sending every single day for yourself. So if you keep on multiplying the Gmail account, guys, the number of emails you'll be sending every single day would also be increasing, right? So this is just a simple trick that you guys can use in sending bulk emails for yourself every single day. So guys, please, if you found this video somehow helpful, please make sure you smash the like button in appreciation. And if you're new on my channel and you want to get more content like this, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. And also, if you have any question, you can let me know down in the comment section below. And please, if you need my service, I'm also going to be leaving the link to my contact me link down in the video description. You can reach out to me and we can discuss. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video, and you take care of yourself. Bye.